Doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode we have a new product just got here today. If you guys remember, a company named Yitamotor sent me a new pair of headlights for my Accord. If you haven't checked that episode, I'm gonna put it right there so you can go and see that episode where I put new headlights on my Accord. Very affordable. I still have no leaks on them, so they're pretty good. And same company, I get a new light for my car. This is an emergency light. This is not supposed to use on the street unless it's an emergency. If I run into a case with a flat tire, it's really dangerous when you are on the street, on the highway. If you get a flat tire, somebody's gonna hit you. So you can put this light on the windshield or on your rear window just to be safe. In this case, I'm just gonna try it on. Probably later I'm gonna do a external mount so I can put on my roof rack. It's gonna look really good. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna put it on the windshield, try it on, and see how it works. Very long cable. The only challenge if I try to put it outside is gonna be putting this through the firewall, or I don't know. I need to figure that out. So it's gonna be a good challenge. But in the meantime, for the episode, I'm just gonna put it inside so I don't have to figure this out, because that's gonna be a good challenge for my car. 30-inch light, link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get this one. Very affordable as well. This is the light right here. It's gonna have suction mounts in case you want to put it on the windshield or on the back window, and it has some extra screws in case that you need those. For today, for the episode, I'm just gonna put it, like I said, inside, but it has the mounts, the brackets, if you wanna mount it on the outside. And because my car has the roof rack, it's gonna look really good. So I need to find a way to put that cable through, because the cable is pretty long, so probably it's gonna work really good if I decide to put it outside. So this is the light, 30-inch light, emergency light. It has this mount on the edge of the light. If you want to put it on your roof rack or on your roof, you can get these screws loose to raise it up if you need it to be higher. And these ones right here, I think I'm gonna use later on these ones to put on the roof rack. I don't think that's really hard to figure it out. I can just drill 2 holes on my roof rack on the front, mount it, and just try to run the cable through. It's gonna be super easy. But in the meantime, let me put it outside just so you can see how this thing is gonna work. I think I have an idea, guys. For the purpose of this episode, I'm just gonna turn the lights on and show you how it works. But if I run the cable through here and then put it through the corner, then running the cable all the way, if I open this part, run it through all the way here, and probably under the carpet, and connect it on the cigarette lighter, because this is for 12 and 24 volts. So I think that's gonna be my setup. I don't have to cut anything on the car. I'm just gonna run it through here, and hopefully we're not gonna have any leaks. But if I run it under right here and it goes right here inside, I think that's gonna be the setup. Okay, guys, so let me try the lights. Let's see. This emergency light on my roof rack is gonna look awesome. It has different functions. I think it has 16 different modes. So let me try them all. That looks really good. it's gonna look awesome. So I think that today I'm gonna start working on mounting this light in here. So this light has 28 high intensity LEDs. It has 15 select able flash different modes. This light is waterproof and the lifespan is gonna be 50,000 hours. So this emergency strobe light, you can connect it to the cigarette lighter. The cable is 11 feet. That's plenty if you want to mount it outside. It has 6 suction cups, 2 screws, and this light is gonna be really good for an emergency. So guys, in the comments down below, please let me know what you think about this. And I wanted to thank you, Yitamotor, because it's the same company that sent me these headlights. Suction caps, they go right here on these 3 holes. Same thing for this one, those 3. So you just gotta force it in there. And repeat the same process on the other side. There you go guys, that's inside the car. It's not gonna stay there, like I said, it's going on the roof rack, but you can tell that thing looks awesome. So like I said before, link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get your emergency light. If you have any questions guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. So guys, I decide just to make 2 holes, put it on the roof rack. So you can see I just made 2 holes here. I switched the bracket around so the cable is facing on the passenger side, and that's where it goes in all the way around and underneath the seat, and it's connected right there. So pretty simple mod. I decided just to do it today. You can see right there is one of the nuts. Same thing on the other side, and we have the installation done. So there you have it. I was not gonna do it, but I just decided to do it.